Baker. I am Chief Everything Officer at HeydayFootwear.com, and today we're going to take a quick look at the new triple black hashtag #MyHeyday Super Shift. Here is the #MyHeyday Super Shift in triple black. You've got black ballistic mesh on the upper, vegan-friendly black microfiber leather overlays for strength and durability, and an all-black, completely flat, zero-drop cup sole that is stitched onto the upper. You can see the stitching running all the way around the shoe so that the sole will never delaminate. It won't compress under the heaviest of loads. This is your leg day friend right here. We have our elastic compression super strap on the shoe, which it's hard to see because it is in triple black, but you can really add some strength to your ankle if you need extra support, utilizing the elastic strap, which can be attached to the shoe in many different ways. Got flat waxed laces on the shoe, Velcro midfoot strap to lock down your forefoot, our signature wraparound tongue, which in addition to providing a really unique aesthetic profile, also wraps around and conforms to the shape of your shin, which gives you some added cushioning on leg extensions or other exercises where you're pushing against your shin, but it just looks really cool. You can see our new TPU molded rubber logo on the tongue. It's got a memory foam footbed with terry cloth lining, and of course, one of the most interesting things about the shoe is that it has a Velcro tongue. You can see the fuzzy side of Velcro on the tongue, and comes with a bag of 67 Velcro letters and numbers, which are also reflective, so that you can spell whatever you want on the tongue over and over again. So they're just Velcro. These letters, this letter pack, comes with the shoes. You do not need to order these extra unless you want an additional pack if you need more letters or you lose them or whatever, but it comes with 67 letters and numbers. You can see how it fits there. This is one of my favorite shoes. The triple black is selling ridiculously fast. Please go ahead and order these. They're available in sizes 5 to 14. These will not last long. It's not hype. It's